sky. No silver chain, no house above. All I have is love. Walking barefoot through the rain, smiling through the joy and pain. Every heartbeat fits like a glove. All I have is love. No riches in my pocket today, still my spirit finds a way. Kindness is the gift I'm thinking of. All I have is love. All I have is love. That's enough for me. Like the endless waves upon the sea. No matter where this road may lead, love is all I'll ever need. All I have is love, burning bright above, shining like the stars we're dreaming of. Through every storm and every dove, all I have is love. Share your smile with everyone. We're all children of the sun. Open hearts are stronger than a shove. All we need is love. Plant a seed in hopeful ground. Watch a better world be found. Peace is flying like a gentle dove. All I have is love. One heart can change another. One friend becomes a brother. Together we can rise above, holding on to love. No walls can keep us apart. Freedom lives inside the heart. Every blessing comes from up above, when all we have is love. All I have is love. That's enough for me. Like the endless waves upon the sea. Every sunrise tells the truth. Love can always heal our youth. All I have is love. Forever it will stay, lighting every dark and lonely day. Hand in hand we're rising up. All I have is love. Yes, all I have is love. And that's enough. Standing at the border as the sunrise glows, wondering where tomorrow goes. With hope in my pocket and dreams in my hand, searching for a better land. Every face has a story to tell. Some know heaven, some know hell. Still we carry faith along the way, believing in a brighter day. No line can stop a hopeful heart. No distance keeps true souls apart. Love and peace are stronger than fear. They'll always lead us here. At the border we stand as one, underneath the same bright sun. Different roads but the same desire. Hearts are burning with the fire. At the border, let kindness grow, more than words could ever show. Hand in hand, we'll find our way to a better day. Every step tells where we've been. Every smile begins again. Hope is stronger than the longest night, leading us towards the light. No matter where our journey starts, we all carry beating hearts. Every dream deserves to fly beneath the open sky. Open every gate with grace. See the beauty in each face. Leave behind the fear and pride. Let compassion be our guide. When tomorrow calls our name, we'll remember we're the same. Peace will bloom where love is sown, making every place a home. At the border we stand as sunshine to my cloudy day. Every little smile, every little touch shows me why I love you so much. You stand beside me through every tide. With an honest heart you never hide. When the world gets heavy and days are long, you remind me where I belong. No matter where this road may run, you're the moon, you're the morning sun. Forever you'll be the one I adore, today and forevermore. You're my number one, my shining light, keeping my soul so warm at night. You're my melody, my sweetest song. With you is where I belong. You're my number one, my heart's delight. Everything about you feels so right. Hand in hand beneath the sun. Forever, you're my number one. Every sunrise brings another chance to celebrate this sweet romance. Through every season, through every year, your loving voice is all I hear. Together we'll build a better day, with faith and hope to guide our way. No treasure could ever compare to the love we happily share. When the winds begin to blow, you're the calm I've come to know. Every dream becomes more real with the love we always feel. No mountain stands too high to climb. Our hearts are steady through all time. We'll keep dancing side by side, with love as our guide. You're my number one, my shining light, keeping my soul so warm at night. You're my melody, my sweetest song. With you is where I belong. You're my number one, forever true. Every day I cherish you, till the stars no longer shine. You'll always be this heart of mine. Stormy skies can't hide the sunny weather. Every little step brings me closer to the light. I'm holding on with all my might. I've been waiting with a hopeful soul. Keeping faith has been my goal. Every heartbeat whispers to my mind, better days are close behind. Don't give up when the road gets rough. Love and hope are more than enough. Keep your eyes upon the dawn. A brand new day is coming on. Soon forward, better times will come, like the beating of a reggae drum. Soon forward, keep your spirit strong. Tomorrow's where we all belong. Soon The night feels long, but I know it's not forever. Stormy skies can't hide the sunny weather. Every little step brings me closer to the light. I'm holding on with all my might. I've been waiting with a hopeful soul. Keeping faith has been my goal. Every heartbeat whispers to my mind, better days are close behind. Don't give up when the road gets rough. Love and hope are more than enough. Keep your eyes up on the dawn. A brand new day is coming on. Soon forward, better times will come. Like the beating of a reggae drum. Soon forward, keep your spirit strong. Tomorrow's where we all belong. Soon forward, lift your voice and sing. Hope can change everything. Keep believing from the very start. Carry love inside your heart. Just as life will set us free, every mountain has another side, where brighter dreams reside. The seeds we plant with patient hands will bloom across the promised lands. One good deed can light the way for another hopeful day. Hold your head up to the sky. Don't be afraid to try. Every sunset makes room for dawn. Life keeps moving on. Together we can rise above, building every dream with love. One step closer every day, we'll surely find our way. Soon forward, better times will come. Like the beating of a reggae drum. Soon forward, never lose your flame. Same. Soon forward, let your spirit soar. There's so much waiting at your door. With faith, hope and love to guide, the brightest days are just outside. Silver chain, no house above. All I have is love. Walking barefoot through the rain, smiling through the joy and pain. Every heartbeat fits like a glove. All I have is love. hearts are stronger than a shout. All we need is love. Plant a seed in hopeful ground, watch a better world be found. Peace is flying like a gentle dove. All I have is love. One heart can change another. One friend becomes a brother. Together we can rise above, holding on to love. No walls can keep us apart. Freedom lives inside the heart. Every blessing comes from up above, when all we have is love. All I have is love, that's enough for me. Like the endless waves upon the sea, every sunrise tells the truth. Love can always heal our youth. All I have is love, forever it will stay. Light in every dark and lonely day. Hand in hand we're rising up. All I have is love. Yes, all I have is love. And that's enough. Standing at the border as the sunrise glows, wondering where tomorrow goes. With hope in my pocket and dreams in my hand, searching for a better land. Every face has a story to tell. Some know heaven, some know hell. Still we carry faith along the way, believing in a brighter day. No line can stop a hopeful heart. No distance keeps true souls apart. Love and peace are stronger than fear. They'll always lead us here. At the border we stand as one, underneath the same bright sun. Different roads, but the same desire. Hearts are burning with the fire. You brought sunshine to my cloudy day. Every little smile, every little touch shows me why I love you so much. You stand beside me through every tide. With an honest heart you never hide. When the world gets heavy and days are long, you remind me where I belong. No matter where this road may run, you're the moon, you're the morning sun. Forever you'll be the one I adore, today and forevermore. You're my number one, my shining light, keeping my soul so warm at night. You're my melody, my sweetest song. With you is where I belong. You're my number one, my heart's delight. Everything about you feels so right. Hand in hand, beneath the sun, forever you're my number one. Every sunrise brings another chance to celebrate this sweet romance. Through every season, through every year, your loving voice is all I hear. Together we'll build a better day, with faith and hope to guide our way. No treasure could ever compare to the love we happily share. When the winds begin to blow, you're the calm I've come to know. Every dream becomes more real with the love we always feel. No mountain stands too high to climb. Our hearts are steady through all time. We'll keep dancing side by side.